Alright class, we're going to learn about volcanoes today, I guess. So, what's a volcano? Volcano is a mountain that builds up around an opening in the Earth's crust. Sometimes it explodes like an earthquake. It has magma. And it goes on the land or lava. Stuff like that. How long does it take? Well, I don't know what that means, but what does it say? Does it take many years for a volcano? No. What's a volcano? Well, I thought they just said that, but I guess we'll do it again. Builds up, around an opening, something, I don't know. Magma, melted rock in the mantle and crust. Get back there. Lava, melted rock, and it flows on the land. You know that, that's easy. Hawaiian Islands formed. Do the Hawaiian Islands have active volcanoes? Yep, they do. Why? I don't really know. Don't ask questions. Here's a diagram. You should know that. It's on a test. And here's another diagram. It says, like, I should have you come up, but you should just know it. And there's the answers. You need to know that.
Will that be in our study guide? Which one was the one on the top?
That's, you didn't see it?
No, I think it went a little fast.
Well, you can look at it one more time. And that's it for the test. It's tomorrow. How do you build your own volcano? Well, that's too much fun for my class, so I'm not going to do that, but apparently you need those materials. But we don't need some stuff here. Okay. Where are some active volcanoes? Well,
I don't think they'd be in Maine.
you don't think so? Well, I think you're wrong. Oh, there's one. No, I'm not going to do that. That's too much work. Well, this is what it's going to be like. You're going to need to know what a volcano is. You're going to explain the parts, and you need to know the facts about it. So, like I said, test tomorrow. No study guide.
I have a question. What is a volcano? What would that answer be?
Were you not paying attention?
Yeah.
I can't stand you guys. Jeez. Can't do anything right. Okay, stop. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Hey, how are y'all doing?
Good.
Okay, we're going to learn something so fun. Bet y'all can't guess what it is.
Volcanoes.
Yes, good job. Okay, what is a volcano? Any guesses? Yes.
A mountain that builds up around an opening in the Earth's crust.
Good job. Good job. Okay, sometimes a volcano explodes, kind of like an earthquake. This event can change the land very quickly. Parts of the Earth's crust and mantle have melted rock called magma. The magma can move through a large crack in the crust and flow onto land. Magma is very hot. Go right through anything. Melted rock that flows onto land is called lava. Lava, rocks, and ash are forced out into the Earth's surface. They pile up in layers and form a mountain. A volcanic mountain can form in just a few years. Okay. Yes.
Can that really happen that fast?
It can. It can happen like that. Okay. How long does it take? Does it take many years for a volcano mountain to form?
No.
No? Let's see. in just a few years. Okay, what is a volcano? Y'all know? Okay. It builds up around an opening in the Earth's crust.
Oh, it's a mountain.
Yeah.
It builds up. Oh, I remember that
Y'all
now.
got it? You get
I
it?
remember that now.
Cool. Easy enough. Okay. What is magma?
It's what comes out of the volcano.
What comes out of the volcano? Let's see. Melted rock in the Earth's mantle and crust. So it's actually what's building up inside of the volcano.
Oh, okay.
Oh, got it? Good job. Okay. What is lava?
That's what comes out.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Melted rock that flows onto the land. This is after the volcano erupts. This is the lava that flows down. All right, y'all get that?
Got it, Sam.
Good job. Y'all are doing so good. Okay. Hawaiian Island volcanoes. The Hawaiian Islands are a chain of volcanic islands that form over a hot spot near the center of the vast Pacific plate. Do the Hawaiian Islands have active volcanoes? Y'all know?
I don't think they do.
I don't think so either. There's not volcanoes in the United States.
Okay. What is that? Read that for me, Christy.
The Hawaiian Islands are a chain of volcanic, what's that next word? Islands that formed over a hot spot near the center of the vast Pacific plate.
Okay. So, do the Hawaiian Islands have active volcanoes?
I don't think they're active.
I think they're active.
Maybe, I don't know.
Let's
I don't
see.
know.
Let's see.
They do.
They do have active volcanoes. Okay. Study the parts of a volcano. Alright. This is just a diagram. It'll be on y'all's test, but we'll have plenty. I'll give y'all examples and I'll pass out diagrams and y'all can learn that. It's pretty easy. Okay. So it starts down here in the magma chamber. That's where all the magma is. And then it goes up this, which is the conduit. Whoop. Oops. And then it has branches off, and they're called the branch pipe. And then these little chambers in here are called the seals. Okay, this is the throat, the summit, and the vent. And then that's when the magma flows out, and that's when it's called lava. So that would be the lava flow. And this is the ash cloud. That's what you see, the big smoke that comes out right before the magma comes out. Okay, so y'all have any questions about that?
You are going to pass those out though for the test?
I will. I'll definitely pass y'all out plenty of exercises that will give y'all stuff on that. So y'all should be good. Okay. So let's see. Y'all think y'all can do it? All right. Okay. Okay, let's start down here. What is that?
Magma.
The magma chamber. Okay. Let's see what this is. What's that?
Conduit.
Yeah. Okay. That's the branch. What's that?
The seal. The
Okay.
next one's the throat.
Yep.
Yeah, good job. Okay, what's that?
Lava.
Lava.
The ash clouds on the very top.
Ash cloud. And then there's the vent. Alright, so y'all pretty much got that. Okay. How would you like to build your own volcano?
I think that should be a project.
It should. We'll have to do that. Let's see. So what we need. Baking soda, salt, and vinegar. And you got yourself a volcano.
Miss Ketchum, that would be so much fun.
We'll have to do
Can we do
that.
that in class one day?
Of course. We should do that for the test so y'all can have plenty of experience on that. Okay, let's see. It's okay. It's just direction.
Oh, it's a cool video.
Yeah. Let's worry about that later. Let's
We
see.
can look at that whenever we have to build it, right?
Right. Okay. Let's see what's next. Where in the USA are active volcanoes? Okay, now I've already gave y'all one example. Let's see. What?
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Let's see. Yeah, there's Hawaii. Okay, any other guesses?
Texas?
I don't know. No Texas. Okay. So we know they're in Hawaii. That's good enough. Okay. Click on the volcano below. Oh, let's see.
Ooh, that's a neat looking one.
That is, ain't it? That's pretty cool. We'll have to look at that in a little bit.
That's what's created from the volcano.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's actually in Yellowstone Park, maybe? Yeah. Let's see. Let's go to the next one. Alright. So, I told y'all what a volcano is. Anybody?
It forms from the Earth's crust. It's a big mountain.
Good job. Okay.
Lava comes out of it.
Yeah.
Magma stays inside of it.
Yeah. It turns into lava. Okay. I'm going to test y'all on the process and then like the skill developments. That's like the diagram. And like I said, I'll give y'all plenty of those. Let's see. That should be about it. So do y'all have any questions?
I don't think so.
Y'all think y'all do all right?
Yep, I think I got it.
All right. Good job, y'all.
Who will you choose to be?
So our question to you is, who will you choose to be? Will you choose to be the good teacher or the bad teacher? The first teacher represented bad teaching habits by being rude to the students, not answering important questions that the students had asked, not caring about the subject taught, having an overall bad and negative attitude, not providing a study guide for her students, and not covering all information about volcanoes. Or will you choose to be the good teacher? The second teacher represented good teaching habits by introducing the subject with enthusiasm and incitement, caring for her students, their questions, and their grades, providing a study guide with important information that will be covered on the test, went into detail about the importance of volcanoes, and had an overall good and positive attitude. You could tell that the second teacher really loved her job.
So will you be a good student or a bad student? In the first part of the video, the students were really bad. They demonstrated with playing with their cell phones during the lecture, not having any class materials out, talking to other classmates during the lecture, making faces at their teacher, and being very disrespectful. So are you going to be a bad student? Or are you going to be the good student? In the second part of the video, they had their materials out and ready to learn, placing all personal items away, raising their hand before speaking, and caring about the subject that was actually being taught, and having respect for their teacher. So we ask you, who will you choose? Currently, are you choosing to be a good student with good behavior and study habits, or a bad student who's very disrespectful and doesn't care? Or in the future, will you be a good teacher that loves her job and sets good examples, or a bad teacher who doesn't care about anything? So who will you choose?